Hey guys, welcome back to I Got Africa with Patrick Aga. Today we are going to visit and explore the Angola, the African giant where many people forget it. Okay, many people think about Africa, they think countries like Rwanda, South Africa, Kenya, Egypt usually comes in mind, but today we are taking you to the one of beautiful countries in Africa. A country filled with oil, wealth, Portuguese culture, beautiful landscapes, political history, and huge potential for tourism. Let's explore Angola. First of all, let's talk about the flag. The flag of Angola has two main colors: the red, black, and machete with a circling with even the yellow color. The red color represents blood shed by Angolans during the struggle of independence, while black represents the African continent. At the center, there is a yellow symbol made of half gear, a machete, and a stand. They represent workers, industry. In the machete represent farmers and armed struggle, and the star symbolizes progress and international solidarity. Now let's look at Angola on the map. Angola is located in the southern of Africa along Atlantic Ocean. It borders Namibia to south and Zambia to the east and Democratic Republic of Congo to the north. Angola also has a small separated region called Cambida, which is located on the north of the main country as separated by a small part of Democratic Republic of Congo. The capital city is called Rwanda, but not Rwanda, Luanda. One of the largest, most modern cities in Africa, Luanda sits directly on the Atlantic coast, known for its buildings, beaches, nightlife, and traffic. Angola is the seventh largest country in Africa, and because of its large size, landscape are very diverse. You can find tropical forests, dry season waterfalls, mountains, beaches, and open savannas. But the population of Angola is estimated at over 37 millions of people. The country is very young, with many people under age of 25. Different ethnic groups live in Angola, including Ovimbu, Mbundu, Bangoko, and many others. So official language is Portuguese because people Angola was colonized by Portugal for hundreds of years. In fact, Angola is one of the largest Portuguese-speaking countries in the world. However, many local languages are also spoken across the country, such as Ubundu, Kimbundu, Kikongo, and Chokwe. Now let's talk about Angola's history. For centuries, Angola was controlled by Portugal during colonial times. Many Angolans suffered under forced labor and exploitation. After years of resistance and fighting, Angola finally gained independence in 1975. But such peace did not come immediately. Right after the independence, a long and devastating civil war began. Different political groups fought for power, and conflict lasted for 27 years. The war destroyed laws, villages, schools, and infrastructure. Millions of people were disappointed, and many landmines were left across the country. Civil war officially ended in 2002. Many of you were young. Okay, and since the Angola has been breeding itself today, and many parts of Angola are country developing rapidly, and especially Rwanda as the capital city. Now let's talk about the economy. Angola is one of Africa's biggest oil producers, in the backbone of the economy, and brings in huge amount of money for the country. So Angola produces diamonds and has large rivers and the natural resources. Because of oil wealth, Rwanda has become known for its most expensive cities in the world. But despite this wealth, many ordinary Angolans still face poverty and unemployment. This is the biggest challenge Angola faces today, and balancing wealth with the development of our citizens. Agriculture is also important in Angola. Farmers grow crops like cassava, banana, maize, coffee, beans. Fishing is another important activity because of people Angola coastline along Atlantic Ocean. Now restore local land daily life and culture. Angola culture is heavily influenced by both African traditions and Portuguese culture. Music is a huge part of Angola. One of the most famous music lifestyle from Angola is called Kizomba. Yeah. A small romantic dance music that became popular across the world. Food in Angola is rich in flavorful. Common meals include rice, fish, chicken, beans, cassava, and grilled meat. So people in Angola are known for being energetic, social, and passionate about music and football. Football is most of popular sport in the country. Now let's go to tourism, the sector, which is one of the most attractive things here in Angola, even all over the world. Even Angola is not yet a major tourism destination like Luanda, Kenya, South Africa, Tanzania. It has incredible hidden beauty jump. So one of most famous attraction, Kandra Falls, one of largest waterfalls in Africa during the rainy season. Waterfalls can become a street, powerful and spectacular. Another famous place in Mandalulu, Dalua, also known as Viewpoint of Moon. This is the unusual rock formation that looks like landscape from another planet. Angola also has beautiful Atlantic beaches, especially near Luanda. For wildlife lovers, Angola has national parks with elephant, trips, birds, and other animals through the tourism infrastructure, and it's developing in many areas. So the Naimi desert also extends into the southern of Angola, creating the beautiful desert scenery. Now let's discuss about the transportation and infrastructure. So since the end of civil war, Angola has invested heavily in rebuilding roads, railway, and airports, and building. Chinese companies have played a major role in construction across the country. So, however, the transportation is out of major cities can be difficult, especially in rural areas. Traffic in Rwanda is famous for being heavy, and many people spend hours commuting every day. So, okay, what about safety? Like many other countries in Africa, safety depends on the area. Tourists are usually advised to stay careful in crowded areas because of petty crime such as theft can happen, especially in parts of Rwanda. Just here, it's many like other countries, cities, and capitals. It can happen. So some remote areas may also still contain landmines from civil war, although many areas have already been cleared. So travelers are advised to use trusted guides, avoid isolated areas night, and so many stay informed before traveling, like coming here you are getting info that can help you when you are traveling to Angola. So despite its challenges, Angola remains one of the most interesting, misunderstood countries in Africa. It is a country with painful history, rich in culture, huge nature, and incredible landscapes, and also as tourism slowly growing, people around the world are beginning to discover the real Angola beyond the headlines. So guys, thank you so much, and please keep informed with being with us. We'll be informing and taking you around all over the world, especially we are starting in Africa, so that you can get info all around Africa, and you will be enjoying this. Also, as I've been telling you, we'll be taking some of you to the different countries of Africa, and soon the second country, as I told you, we'll be taking some of you there, but it's only one of our fun that will win a ticket. Also in the videos I am going to start saying like a name of person. If is the one, it will depend on the country. I will also mention the country where they are from, or even the legend. So if the person find their name in there, we'll be getting a reward. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, being user, and like, share. Thank you, inshallah. So guys, here's the highlight here after the trip we had, where we were showing around the hike here in Rwanda, but also in Angola. You can find this place, and I kept uploading some photos to show you the different parts that you can. So if I don't speak in the video, you can say thank you.